Hi, to set custom ringtone on your OnePlus Nord 3, we will need to open settings first, and here find the sounds and vibrations tab. After that, scroll a bit to go in the ringtone and alert sound, choose the ringtone, and now we need to go in the custom section on this device, and here you will see all of your downloaded songs. You can download songs through the Google Chrome or something like that, and it should appear in this list. So to set this song as our ringtone, we will need to select it and save the changes by going back. So now we'll have such a ringtone and let's test it. So everything is working. I just made a call to myself and yes, we set our custom ringtone on this OnePlus Nord 3. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.